Hello everyone. We have this linear equation 2x plus 5y equal to 27 and 7x plus y equal to 12. This is linear equation and we have to solve this linear equation. There are many methods by which we can solve this linear equation. For example, method 1 elimination method and method 2 substitution method, method 3 matrix inversion method and method 4 Cramer's rule. But today we will solve this question by Cramer rules. So let's start the solution of this question by Cramer rules. So this is our given equation, and first of all, in Cramer rule, we will write these equation in matrix form. So in matrix, we will write the coefficient. So here the coefficient of this 2x plus 5y is 2 and 5, and here 7x plus y is 7 and 1. So after writing the coefficients in matrix, then we will write the variables in matrix, and then we will write the constant in matrix, and then we will call this matrix A, and this is matrix X, and this is matrix B, like this. And now in step 2, find the determinant of A denoted as A. So first of all, we will find out determinant. So how can we find out the determinant of this matrix? So determinant equal to, first of all, we will multiply these two terms like this, 2 and 1. Then we will write minus in the middle, and then we will multiply this 7 and 5. So 7 and 5. Now this 2 times 1 equal to 2, and this 7 times 5 equal to 35. So 2 minus 35, which is equal to minus 33. So minus 33, which is not equal to 0. Please remember, if you have the determinant equal to 0, then it means that there is no solution for the variable that is x and y. If your determinant is equal to 0, then you cannot solve this by this method. So this must not be equal to 0. So it means that it is not non-zero, and we can solve, we can find out the solution. So let's move forward. In the next step, we will find out ax by replacing the first column of a with the constant. So basically, this was our metric A. Now what we will do here we will replace this 2 and 7 by these values. So we will put these values over here, that is over here, and then we find out the determinant. So this determinant will call Ax. So for this purpose, we will multiply these two values, 27 1 and then minus, and 12 and 5, 12 and 5. So this is 27, and 12 times 5 equal to 60. So 27 minus 60 equal to minus 33. So Ax equal to minus 33. And then, and next step, we will find out Ay. So for Ay, we will place these 27 12 over here. It means that over here. So let's do this step, find Ay by replacing the second column of A with the constants. So this is our first column, same values, and we have replaced this by this constant. And now we will find the determinant, and that determinant will call Ay. So let's find out. So for determinant, we will multiply these two terms, that is 2 and 12, and then minus, and 7, 27. So 2 times 12 equal to 24, and 7 times 27 equal to 189. 24 minus 189 equal to minus 165. And now in the final step, we will find out x and y. So for x and y, x equal to x divided by 2. So we have already found out the value of x. So x equal to minus 33 and a equal to minus 33. So minus 33 divided by minus 33 equal to 1. And then we will find y. So y equal to ay divided by a. So ay equal to minus 165 and a equal to minus 33. So minus 65 divided by minus 33 equal to 5. So it means that this is the solution of this question, that is xy equal to 1, 5. So this is the solution set, and this is the answer of the given question by Cramer rule. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.